Hey, I'm Steve Vignante here at SEMA 2014 with Alan Beckloff of Crane Cams. Since 1953, Crane has been one of the leaders in the manufacture of cams. In fact, they existed before there was a SEMA, before there was a small block Chevy, and they really heralded in the overhead valve engine revolution, making cams for flatheads. But you guys are not standing still. What's new for 2015?
2015, Crane is introducing some new products for the street. The hydraulic roller system that we're famous for. We've produced it for 25 years. We're making a model now specifically for the street enthusiast, where he can take his flat tappet cam of the 1960s, his muscle car, 60s, 70s, 80s, his pride and joy, and upgrade it to 2014. We're moving into the 21st century. The lifter systems are much reduced in friction, which is a very good idea on those motors. Some of those motors are priceless, and the flat tappets can be an issue. The rollers prevent the wear problems. They add torque, horsepower, and are custom made if necessary to fit your situation.
I know that in the past decade, there was a run of bad lifters. I don't know what it was, but a lot of guys were losing their flat tappet cams. Yes. And those days are over. The roller cam prevents those troubles.
Right, and then some of that, the flat tappet failure was really caused by the chemicals in the oil. The lack of certain being formulated properly. That's why Crane introduced a new break-in oil for the flat tappet. Now, as long as you continue to break it in properly and use the oil in the future, that's pretty safe. But some of these motors are more valuable than you realize, and it's better to put a hydraulic roller in the system to gain the power and the longevity.
Now, I know that Crane welcomes custom work. You guys can create a camshaft for virtually anything. Tell us about that service.
Yes, we've done things from anything from a single cylinder scooter to a Ferrari's top fuel camshafts. We grind and do everything every day. What people may not know is that we have a huge database of over 80,000 grinds that we have done. But we issue part numbers every day for what you want. We learn more from our customers sometimes than they learn from us. We're the machine by which they can get to what they think they need. We're the provider of the combinations. And some of the stuff may be like an LS series. That is a very finite series. People want to move 1 degree different. We'll grind it for them. You can have it out in a couple of days.
What have you brought to show us?
We brought a new tool steel camshaft. Now this is an exotic material, and be able to make these camshafts in single units if necessary. They're made for the fella that has a unique block, lifter bore situation where he's moved them around, or the block is totally different. CNC blocks and cylinder heads are rampant today, but what they end up with is coming up with very clever combinations, but there's no camshaft to fit it. We take tool steel material, take a bar stock, and produce the camshaft for you. Some of this stuff is maybe exactly the same thing that's been made forever, but in this exotic material, which is very strong, or they're going into top fuel and in funny car applications where the brutality of the application, the spring tension is such that the older materials just don't survive. Tool steel is what it says it is. It's through hardened, resilient to wear, and repairable if anything should go astray.
So from catalog camshafts or muscle cars to one-off custom applications, Crane Cams can handle it all. How do our viewers learn more?
You contact us by cranecams.com, you can get the catalog there. If you have a question for us, you can go to tech@cranecams and get directly to our tech line, and they'll answer you back. Of course, you can follow us on Twitter and Facebook to keep up with what's newest going on.
Well, there it is, the latest from Crane Cams from 1953 and going on into the future, right here at SEMA.